MaxBot is here again. This is a channel about the fastest and most powerful trading. Now I will show you how you can make money on distance with the help of a revolutionary neural network with an average of 90% signal accuracy. I will enter the first trade on the currency pair Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, timeframe 2 minutes, investment $100. The signal from the bot is higher. Attention! Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy it at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at a discount. Link in the description. Yes, after the purchase the bot gives an unlimited number of signals. In the meantime, we can see from the historical data chart that 2 hours ago the bulls started to develop their advantage, after which the movement began to resemble consolidation, and the volumes of sellers and buyers saturated the market with similar frequency. I think that the sideways movement will continue, but locally there will be price growth. I think that the robot analyzed the market and noticed the potential for growth, realized that strong support areas and volumes accumulated by bulls will play a decisive role. That's why it gave a signal to go up. Now, within a small expiry time of 2 minutes, the bulls can really help us to get a profit. Let's wait for the end of the trade, friends. Just a little more time. Right now on the screen you can read feedback from traders who are already using MaxBot on a regular basis. Their amounts on their accounts are growing. The bot takes care of all the key work, analyzing all market data, calculations, making decisions about entering trades. It is a reliable assistant, which has the most powerful artificial intelligence, acts in cold blood and, unlike humans, is not subject to emotions, fears, greed, doubts. In the meantime, the deal is finalized just the way we need it. The bot indicated the forecast accurately. The account was credited with $89. Now I will perform the operation with other settings. New currency pair, Euro and British Pound, timeframe 3 minutes. I will enter the market for $300. You need to press the appropriate keys in the menu and the bot will instantly give a verdict. Its signal is higher. He also provided additional information about volatility and news background. Now both of these factors are active. Now I'll take another look at the historical data. Let's review the situation. So, there was a wave-like movement on the chart for a long time, and during the past hour the price was mostly only going down. The bears were saturating the market with volumes better, but in a few moments the bulls were also making their moves. But I think that the market reached oversold level. I think that the bot noticed it and analyzed the situation with the help of additional indicators and decided that it would be more rational to enter the trade on the upside. Yes, according to the stochastic oscillator and the candlestick crossing of the lower Bollinger Band, I also came to the conclusion that there is a clear oversold condition, which will allow the trend to reverse. Buyers are now in a better position, which means the price is likely to rise. Yes, there will be periods of consolidation, but within the 3 minutes of our trade, there is a really high probability of closing the trade in the plus. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. By the way, the bot has another top advantage. You can use it even when the exchanges are sleeping. There are 27 currency pairs available in the MaxBot menu for over-the-counter trading. To use them, you just need to send the bot the command /OTC in chat. Trade and earn money around the clock, even on weekends and holidays, even at night. In the meantime, the second transaction has successfully completed, plus $267. Time to make the final positive reinforcement. I'm going to make one more trade. Time frame will be 1 minute. The investment amount will be higher, $400. The signal is higher. News is actively influencing the market. Volatility is increased within this currency pair. I entered the trade by pressing the green button on the pocket option broker. Working according to this structure, using MaxBot, you will quickly become millionaires. This artificial intelligence has absorbed all the fundamental knowledge and experience of its developers. And all this 9 years of invaluable experience of successful and smart trading is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment, which you will make at a discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of work. And I remind you that you will get to the VIP chat, where experienced experts share their predictions. And now let's summarize the results. As a result of the most accurate signal of the robot, one more trade closed in plus $356. The total profit for this trading session, for 3 trades, is $712. Trade with the help of this powerful tool. Subscribe to the channel and put a like. Click on the bell to always be aware of the most fiery events and updates. Let your trades be successful. See you later here as well.